Hello, people. My name is Nihara Harish, and I run the blog Lifestyle Glossary. So this is my first try on YouTube. So please do, go along with me. And I actually started this YouTube because one of my viewers asked me to talk about the Fab Bag, which they give like every month. Fab Bag is actually a monthly cosmetic bag which is sent from Bombay and shipped all over India, and it's all about selected cosmetics for you, and it's quite interesting. So I started my first Fab Bag in March, and this is my Fab Bag. Cool, right? So I know it's pretty late right now, but then I have to fulfill my reader's request. So that's why I'm doing a small review on the Much Fab Bag. This is the Fab Bag. So my Much Fab Bag was a theme based on makeup for difference. I'm gonna open my Fab Bag now. I kind of like this Fab Bag because it's pretty like pink, and I wasn't a person who loves pink, but then this material is pretty good and it's quite spacious too inside. See? So first and foremost, what was there in my bag was this magazine, which kind of tells you everything which is inside, like what all the contents are there in your bag. So like what all I got and how to use them, and then there are certain tips on how well you can use them and how much would they cost if you want to order it again. So the first item on my Much Fab Bag, which I loved so much, was this BB cream from Inveda. Okay, this was like a really good cream. I use it like occasionally actually. So this is like an 8-in-1 cream with magnolia and almond, and with SPF 20 and matte color. So as you all can see, I'm like not a fair skin person, and I'm happy about that. I'm not like sad about it, but the fact that they chose a really good BB cream that goes well with my skin tone was pretty like amazing. So basically, when you sign up for a Fab Bag, they'll ask you to fill a questionnaire, and I did the same thing, but I never expected them to be so precise in giving me a cream which would like go so well with my skin tone. So I kind of really love this thing. And then there's this particular card which they send you, like personalized card, which tells you like how much each thing costs. So my Inveda cream cost me like 140 for 15 ml. Wow, I've been using it for 2 months and it's still not over. So 140 is like a good deal, I guess. Yeah. And the next thing on my Fab Bag is this lipstick by Palladio. So I gotta say about this because I wasn't actually so happy with this lipstick because it wasn't my skin tone thing. See, this is the color, and it would look good as nude, but nah, I don't prefer it much. But then yeah, I do love to put it sometimes when I'm like in the house and like I feel like I should keep my lips moist, and this has like really good ingredients in it which keeps the lips really moist and good for this climate. And this costs 650 bucks. Wow. The next thing on my Fab Bag is my favorite Sultry Kajal. So this kajal cost actually 350 bucks, and I love this one. I'm actually wearing it right now. Yeah. So I love it because it has like a really good smell and really good like camphor and ghee mixture, which goes perfectly with my skin, and it gives a very good cooling effect to the eyes, and that is so good. That's like really so good about them. And I'll probably like order one more of these. And okay, I gotta say sorry to you guys because I like ran out of the item on my next listing. I completely used it. It is this Professional Sebastian's conditioner. This is actually the conditioner, and this actually costs like 1800 for 250 ml, and I got a sample size of it, and it was really good, and I have to like restock it, and I still didn't restock it, my bad. But then yeah, I'll be restocking it soon, and this was also like brilliant. And one thing that Fatback surprised me with was these earrings from Fashionography. Yeah, butterfly. So these earrings like kind of caught my eye. I didn't expect them to put a earring inside. And you can order this from www.fashionography.in, and it costs around 249. Okay. So I just have to tell you guys, I paid for my fab bag like 600, okay, and I've got items in my fab bag which are more than what I paid, like the Palladio lipstick for 650, Sultry Kajal for 350, Inveda BB cream for 140, Sebastian conditioner for 1800 for 250 ml, but I got a sample size, and Fashionography earrings 249. So all I have to say is Fab bag is like a really good option when it comes to cosmetic bags, and I really think you should try this. And they have these subscriptions like 1 month, 3 month, and 12 month. And I went for the 1 month subscription, but I was very happy. And I'll be doing a review about the April and May Fab bag soon. I just hope you really love this. And for the reader who asked me to review this, here is his review, and I hope you liked it. And I'm very sorry if this video sucks because this is my first try, but I promise I will get better with it. Till then, I hope you guys got what you needed. Okay, that sounds dirty. So I'll leave a link of the fab bag thing underneath. I hope you guys love this video. Please subscribe and like it, and do give me suggestions on how to improve my video better. Okay, bye bye guys, take care.